Good morning dear students. We are see the chapter number 2 work and energy. We are going to learn in a example previous video. Last video is the types of work and different types of work. Example first one, a force of 10 Newton acts on a body if the body is displaced through 2 meter in the same direction as that of the force find the work done by the force is the example. The force of 10 newtons act on the body of if the body is displaced through 2 meter in the same direction as that of the force. Find out the work done. Solution: data, force is equal to 10 newton and displacement S is equal to 2 meter. Formula is equal to work is equal to force multiplied by displacement is a 10 newton multiplied by 2 meter is equal to 20 newton meter. W is equal to 20 meter, or SI unit is W is equal to 20 joule is a first example. Second example, a body of a mass 0.1 kg thrown upward reaches a maximum height of the 10 centimeter 10 meter. Calculate the work done by the force of gravity during this vertically displacement. Solution is a data. First, a mass is equal to 0.1 kg and G is equal to minus 9.8 meter per second square is a upward is a minus 9 and S is equal to 10 meter. Formula is equal to W is equal to force multiplied by displacement. F is equal to force is equal to mass into acceleration. A is equal to G. F is equal to mg. W is equal to m into g, m into minus g into s is equal to m is a 0.1 multiply by minus 9.8 into s is a 10 is equal to minus 9.8 joule is a work. Therefore the work done is equal to minus 9.8 joule is the second example. Third example, Ravi applied a force of 10 Newton and moved a book 30 centimeter in the direction of the force. How much was the work done by Ravi? Work done by the Ravi. Solution is a force data. Force is equal to 10 Newton and move displacement s is equal to 30 centimeter is equal to 30 divided by 100 is equal to 30 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and find out W is equal to question mark. Formula W is equal to force into displacement is a 10 Newton multiplied by 30 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 2 is equal to 100 into 30. 10 into 30 divided by 100, 0 cut is a 3 joule. Work is equal to 3 joules. Work is a 3 joules. Therefore, Ravi's work done by 3 joules. Next one is a fourth question. A force of 20 Newton acts on a body if the displacement of the body is 0.6 meter in the direction opposite to that of the force. Calculate the work done